This car surprised everyone because it has an impressive engine installed in a 32 Ford Roadster. If you think you've seen unique hot rods before, get ready for something extraordinary, as this is not your typical modified V8. The heart of this beast is a Boss 9 V8 built by Kaase Racing Engines, a modern reinterpretation of the legendary Ford Boss 429. But here comes the fascinating part. Instead of traditional carburetors, this engine breathes through an 8-stack Borla injection system with 58mm throttle bodies. The combination of the Crower crankshaft, 4.25-inch stroke, with Oliver Racing connecting rods creates a mechanical orchestra which would make any stock engine blush. The real genius is in the electronic brain, a MOTC M130 ECU that controls every aspect of the engine with pinpoint accuracy. The custom wiring harness, fabricated at Desert Performance, is a work of art in itself, integrating the MSD Pro power coils into a perfectly timed symphony. But power without control is useless, and this is where the Hugs Performance 4L80E 4-speed transmission comes in. It is controlled by a PCS system, TCM 2800, that communicates directly with the ECU to provide traction control and programmable shifting. Cooling, that perennial enemy of hot rods, is handled by an aluminum radiator and electric exhaust fan, while the dual exhaust system with long pipe headers and Borla mufflers. The polished fuel tank is not just decorative. It feeds this monster through a high-flow pump and aero-motive regulator, ensuring that the beast never goes thirsty. This entire engineering package rests on a total cost-involved chassis, with independent suspension up front and a 4-link setup in the rear. Wilwood brakes with drilled rotors and red calipers ensure that all this power can be tamed when needed. And you know what's most impressive? This engine has covered just 152 miles since it was built in 2016, and right now it's being auctioned for $35,000. And would you buy it?